Hey there! Today we are going to make jambalaya, which is a Creole-inspired dish that is packed with flavor. I'm going to use my electric pressure cooker to make this dish, and Instant Pots or electric pressure cookers are all the rage right now, and for good reason. They make cooking so much more convenient and fast. So let's get started. I've already turned on my sauté function for this, and so I'm going to add some onion, some garlic, and my celery. I'm going to start by sauteing those. And then I'm also going to add some poblano peppers here, but you can also use bell peppers if you prefer. Poblano adds a little bit of heat, but not too much. It's very mild. But I like the flavor they bring as well. Now I'm going to add some sausage in here. If you're trying to do this gluten-free, instead you could use chickpeas or you could use tofu, and you could just take the tofu right from the container and put it in here, because all of the seasoning that we're going to put in would season the tofu. So now I'm going to add my tomato puree. And along with that, I'm going to add the Cajun spice. So you can use a Cajun spice mix, or also Old Bay seasoning would work here. Now I'm also going to add 2 cups of water into this. And that's because we're going to be cooking the rice in here. Right. So now I'm going to add the rice. Some bay leaves, I'm using 3, and some fresh parsley. You could use dried for this, if that's easier. And I just want to close the lid. And then I'm going to turn it on, and I'm going to do the rice function for 10 minutes. That's how quick this is. All right, so my jambalaya is done. Open it up. That smells amazing. So I'm gonna scoop some out. This is such a warm, comforting dish to serve, and using the electric pressure cooker makes it so quick and easy. It's the perfect dish for your family on a night where you don't have a lot of time. So there you go. And I love to serve it up with some extra onions. The combination of spices in this dish make it pretty hard to resist. Thanks so much for joining me in my vegan kitchen.